we did it! 1 million subscribers in only 6.5 years. Amazing. So we would like to celebrate with you, and in this special occasion we have developed a limited and extremely limited edition of the Gold Digger wax.
It's kind of a reinvention.
It smells so good. Yeah, you have to try it. We would also like to propose a new competition, and you can find it in the description how to enter. They are all on there, depending on where you are, Facebook or YouTube. And also, we would like to see you for the next 10 million subscribers, so keep hanging in there.
Yeah, it's just around the corner, maybe 4 years or something.
Maybe early, I don't know.
Maybe 1 year.
We are growing extremely fast, and thanks to you guys. See you on the other side. Cheers.
Or this side.
Cheers. 1 million subscribers! Jeg kan godt lide sådan her, når du lukker. Really good.
Very good.
Really, really good. Sorry.